spacious single-story grand home near the falls features 5 bedrooms plus 2 dens, offices and wide-open floor plan with large living great room, high ceilings, 20 porcelain tile floors, wet bar, huge open kitchen, formal dining room, separate bedroom wing and 4 full baths. The indoor-outdoor Florida room overlooks the pool and enormous backyard with side yards, great space for entertaining. The home has an attached 2-car garage, side and circular driveway, so invite your friends. There's plenty of room for parking and play on the large lot. The location on a charming tree-lined street off the main thoroughfare makes for a great neighborhood experience. The home was just painted and prepped for the next family to fall in love.